Good afternoon, everybody. It's the mobile home mama. Nice and quiet out here. All you can hear are the crickets. And I've been eyeballing this baby for a few days now. Of course, you can see from the lot I've got plenty to choose from. So let's go inside and see what we got in here. Classic black and white on the outside. And let's check it out. Okay, so I thought I'd try something fun. I did not go in this house first, so we're doing kind of an impromptu video here. And we know this house. This is a 16 by 66 Liberty home. I just did a video on this just a few days ago, but this one is decked out in Timberwolf brown. I believe this is our new style of cabinet, and I can tell that by the grains in it. You're going to be able to see our grains a lot more now in our wood. We've got Desert Springs on the countertop, Patent Beach on the wall. I love this island because this is one of the few islands that has the corner slant there. So walking into, kind of all over the place, sorry guys, wide open living room there. I came in the back door, so there's the front door. Galley kitchen up against the wall with an island with plenty of seating, I imagine. 1, 2, 3 at least, if not 4 skinny chairs. Coming into the master bedroom. This is kind of fun, just popping in one, not knowing what I'm gonna find. Here's the master bath. Looks like they did just a regular tub shower combination with a single vanity. And there's the master bedroom closet. All right, let's head back to the other area. As always, our packing materials is in the living room. Bedrooms 2 and 3, heading back this way. Right behind the door, we got the panel box. Here's that new color on the floor. This is the second time I've seen this. I really need to dig and do some investigation into that to see if this is a floor we're gonna be offering very soon. I hope so, because I like it. Nice neutral color with some grays, whites, a little bit of tan. Bath 2. And the final bedroom. I had someone ask me what is the oil that we use on the floor, and upon request I was told that that is a type of cleaning solution. So here we go, 16 by 66 Liberty home. I happen to have this home on sale this month, guys. I know it's the end of the month, but we've got this on a clearance for $67,000 at the moment. Remember, when you're setting up and you're shipping a single wide, your delivery costs and your setup costs are going to be half that of a double. So it's not a bad idea if you're looking for a smaller double to maybe consider going with a larger single wide, because you can save yourselves a lot of money there. And as always, guys, I sure do appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.